Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to add leader to text. So for example, I will create text. You can type text and you can set for the best point. I will click here. Now for text height, we set into 5, press enter, and for angle 0, enter again. Now you can type like AviCAD. Click outside and then press escape button. Now if you want to add leader into this text, you can type leader, press enter, and I will click like from this point, move into here, and the next you can press enter, enter again, and you can press enter to set for the text. You can click outside to close. Okay, if you want to change for the arrows size, you can select, go to properties. You can move into arrows in here. You can set like into 5 for arrow size, and then you can click to change the arrow size. Okay, that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to add leader to text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.